Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. Import all of the fields from the assets worksheet in the accounting Excel file to a new table. Use the first row as column headings. Do not change any field information. Use the account ID field as the primary key. Accept the new table assets. Do not save the import steps. Correct answer is in the external data ribbon tab in the important link ribbon group. You click the new data source button. In the new data source menu in the form file menu, you click the Excel menu item. Inside the get external data Excel separate sheet dialog, you click the browse button. You clicked cell 2 multiply 1. Inside the file open dialog, you click the open button. Inside the get external data Excel separate sheet dialog, you click the OK button. Inside the import separate sheet visit dialog, you click the next button. Check the first row contains column headings checkbox. Click the next button. Click the next button. Selected the choose my own primary key radio button. Click the next button and click the finish button. Inside the get external data Excel separate sheet dialog, you click the close button. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.